Hello there, I'm Lokesh. Today we will get you started with your ZEISS ScanPort. In this getting started video, we will introduce you to the ZEISS ScanPort hardware and show its capabilities. Let's take a look what comes with your system. Here you see the ZEISS ScanPort and the laptop here. The first thing you will notice is that the ZEISS ScanPort is a mobile solution and can also be conveniently packed into a travel case if you want to transport it. It is an idle semi-automated solution for small to mid-sized parts. The travel case comes with wheels so that you can bring it where you need. There are handles at both sides and lockable latches here in the front. Inside the travel case, we can store the ZEISS ScanPort in its transport position and add additional accessories if needed. Let's get into more detail about ZEISS ScanPort itself, which is designed for flexibility and ease of use. First, we have to make sure both the ScanPort and the accompanying PC workstations are connected and powered on. Alright, all set up. Next thing we need to do is to launch the ZEISS Inspect software, and we are ready to go. We will explain more about the ZEISS Inspect software in a different video. The system features 3 movable axes, one for moving the scanner closer or further away from the part, the one for adjusting the scanning angle, and the last one for rotating the part. This design eliminates the need for a special table or a fixture to position the part at an angle for scanning, allowing operators to simply place the part on the rotation table and let it be scanned. On the top of ZEISS ScanPort, you will find a sensor. Depending on the application and the level of accuracy you require, the sensor can be changed. We will discuss this in more detail in our next Getting Started video. Now that we have introduced the hardware, we can proceed to show all other capabilities. Has manual 3D scanning transitions from the lab to the front line of the factories and field environment. Is essential to consider the conditions in which we operate. ZEISS ScanPort is specifically developed to function in production environment, meaning there is no need for light blocking curtains. Want to measure large parts that don't fit into the rotation table? The modular concept of the ZEISS ScanPort allows you to remove the scanning sensor and mount it onto the tripod. This also fits in the travel case. This setup enables you to measure large parts using the same system. With that, we showed you the additional capabilities of ZEISS ScanPort. We are all set up and ready to scan now. Make sure to follow me to the next Getting Started videos. If you have experienced anything different from what you have seen here, or if you have any questions about your ZEISS ScanPort, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more Getting Started information, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.